That's a very good question. When I made my scarf tutorial, I used the Premier Basics yarn, but in the tweed, and it says right on the labeling that 2 skeins makes 1 scarf. So that's really nice that Premier does that. They also tell you how many yards of yarn is on per skein. So this was 245 yards that's on that, and so 2 of them would make 1 scarf. On this one, this guy, he's 235 yards. So if you use 2 skeins of this yarn, it would be slightly shorter. And then this one here, he's 252 yards. So if we use 2 skeins, it would be a little bit longer. Also, when you're doing your rows, I try to tell you how many rows that I did, so you can kind of base it off of that and do a similar amount of rows. And then also you can measure your project as you're making it. So what's nice with scarves is you can make it as short or as long as you would like. When I Googled how long scarves should be, it said between 50 and 72 inches. So you can just decide how long you want it to be and then measure as you go.